Here's how to make and award a badge in Unified Classroom. So I'm in a class. I'm going to go to the top under Manage Class, and I'm going to click on Edit Badges. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Add a Badge. And there's three categories: My Badges, which these are just ones that I haven't shared, PowerSchool Learning Badges, which you can use, add, and edit, and then School Badges. So I'm going to create in School Badges, and so that others would be able to find and use this. So I'm going to go over to Create Badge. You can see that there's some other badges I've already made in here. And I'm going to go to Create Badge, and then I'm going to title it. So I'm going to put ADAPTS for this badge. And I'm going to click All Organizations. So this is for someone who changes and adapts. So I'm going to go ahead and build my badge. The first thing is the shape. So notice ADAPTS came in here, whatever I titled it, and then I could go ahead and change the shape. And then the next one is the little star, which says choose an icon. You can upload your own image, but for here we're just going to go ahead and look at some of the icons. So you'll notice there's a search, but there's also categories. So you can go in through the categories and look for an icon: food and beverage, there's healthcare and wellness, people. So they do have quite a few icons that you could use. So I'm going to go in tech and communications, and I'm going to find something that I want to use that shows someone adapts. So I'm just going to use a cassette player because it's showing change and it's a little tongue-in-cheek. So I'm going to go ahead and say use this icon. And then I can go down to my text and change that, or say no text. And then I can choose my border. So notice when I click on this, the border changes. So and then you can change your colors. So I can change the color of the fill. And you'll notice that change there. I can change the color of the icon. I'm just going to pick random colors so you can see. There's a little arrow right here. Hit done. And the banner. Hit done. I can also change my text. So if I want to be black text, so then I can go ahead and just hit save. And then that image is saved. And then I can go ahead and I'm just going to hit publish so it shows up in the organization. And then you should see it pop up here with my other badges. And there it is. So now I'm going to show how you award that badge. I'm going to go ahead and click done. And I'm going to go anywhere I see my students, whoever's in a class. I need to see their avatar. So I'm going to go here, I'm just going to go into the roster and look for the student. So if I hover over student, I can see their name, and then it says 0 badges earned, and we can go ahead and award a badge. So I'm going to go ahead and hit award badge to Dan. And it says there are no badges associated with this class. So I have to add, see, I created all those badges, now I have to add it. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one. I'm going to add my button maker. I'm going to add my coffee. I'm just going to go ahead and add these all to this class so I have access to them. So now I'm done with that. And now it shows all the badges and says, which one do you want to award to Dan? So I can go ahead, I can write a little testimonial if I want. I can choose a file and upload it. I'm just going to go ahead and award it. And then Dan is going to see in his dashboard that he has been awarded a badge. So give it a try.